What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome to another video. Thank you guys for making it Chris Sams one more time. And today we're here just to tell you that Catherine Estate has more units available. I know a lot of you might have said Catherine Estate gone already, but guess what? We have additional units that you can go on and apply for this month. They will not be having any open house this time around because majority of persons would have already gone out to view the units already. But what I'm going to do in this video is just to show you guys basically what we had captured before, and you can go back and watch that video for yourself as well. But we'll show you in the background of this video exactly what took place and how the units look. Alright, remember, if you're new to the channel, please to subscribe. Please to support us by liking this video so that other persons can see it as well. And remember, just leave your comments down below. We do the best that we can to give you guys all the update that you need on the properties. Alright, so we're just going to give you a few little details on the application process, and then we'll be showing you guys what's happening with the model units. So here we go in a minute. Remember, subscribe, share, like up the videos. All right, thank you guys for making it Chris Sams. So here we go. So on May 21st, guys, the National Housing Trust put out an ad that the units will be available for application, and in total there will be 47 units going out for sale. Of that 47, we'll have 4 one-bedroom units and we'll have 43 duplex studio units. All right, the 4 one-bedroom units will be going for between 8 million to 8.22 million. The information is also on the screen so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. And for the 43 duplex studio units, the price ranges from $7.3 to $7.7 million. And remember that with the National Housing Trust, the properties you'll get 100% financing, and it is subject to your affordability. All right. So guys, the application period this time round is for 2 days, and the application opens on Tuesday, May 30th. to Wednesday, May 31st. You cannot go on before or after that period to apply for any of these units. Alright, so remember, you go on to the website for the National Housing Trust that will be on your screen as well, and you will see the tab to apply. You guys just go on there, submit your applications. I know these units were oversubscribed in the past because a lot of persons actually went out and were interested. So if you fall in that set, this is now your opportunity again to go out there and to apply for your unit, because it is now once again available. So remember, you go on Tuesday and Wednesday, this is May 30th and May 31st, submit your application and do not be late. All information will be on the screen below, and while I'm talking to you guys, you'll be seeing footage from inside and outside of these units. So just check out the video. Remember, if you don't get everything from this video in terms of viewing, you can always go back to our previous video. The link will be down in the description where you can watch the full tour of Catherine Estate. So remember, application date, see it here right on the screen right now. Don't miss the period. How much for it? See it here right here, so on the screen. Where can you go to apply? It is right here right now on the screen. So enjoy the rest of this video, guys, and we'll see you in the end. So thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, remember to like, remember to share, remember leave your comments, and thank you so much for making it Chris Sams. The journey continues, but just stay tuned on this journey until the end. Later, guys. Enjoy.